A major winter storm is on the way this weekend, which is gonna be around these zones, between New York, Cincinnati, Nashville, Atlanta, Norfolk. Most ice is expected to be in the north. This may cause significant travel impacts and power outages. The closer you live to the Virginia-North Carolina border, the more likely you will see impacts from freezing rain. There will be a push of warmer air from the south in the upper atmosphere. The thickness of this warm layer affects the type of precipitation you can expect. Less warm, colder air is snow, and warmer air is rain. Falling trees are also expected due to the weight of the ice. Equip yourself with a shovel, layered clothing, winter kit for vehicle. Winter kit should include food and water, chargers, flashlights, blankets, and medication. Wednesday and Friday is expected to have pleasant weather, so use this time to prepare. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and sign up for my newsletter for daily integrity sparks and ethical business and tech news. Goodbye.